Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Wave and Google Sheets. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new data is created in Wave, it will automatically add a new row in Google Sheets. Now Wave is an awesome accounting software and Google Sheet is your favorite spreadsheet program. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Wave to Google Sheets. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Wave and Google Sheet. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Wave and Google Sheets. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Wave to Google Sheets. Wave to Google Sheets. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Wave? Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new customer? Okay, so new customer is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new customer is made in Wave, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there is one more trigger, that is new invoice. Now, in case if you want more trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new customer is made in Wave. Okay, so just click on connect with Wave. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Wave. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is demanding access to Wave. Just click on allow access. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, you will find a blank, that is business. So in the business, it is showing it as Pabbly. This is because I only have one account, that is Pabbly. Okay, so this is the account that is Pabbly. So what I'm going to do here is, when I just click on save and send test request, it will show the data of the recently created customer. Let me show you. Okay, so the API response is showing the name as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and this is the email of 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So basically 𝗪𝗵𝘆 is the recently created customer. Okay, so the name is showing it as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and this is the email 𝗪𝗵𝘆001@gmail.com. So basically we have to sync all this data to Google Sheet. So to do that, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Sheets? Because we want to sync all the data to Google Sheets. That is why. Google Sheets, this one. Okay. So now in the action event, how about we make it as add new row? Okay, so add new row is an action event. There are many more action events like delete a sheet, create a sheet, update row, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger, for the specific action that you want to build. Okay, but at present, I just want to add a new row in Google Sheet. Okay, so your obvious question is, why are we keeping the action event as add new row? So to explain you that, let me take you to my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. And as you can see, it has been titled Wave Google Sheets. And these are the columns I have: name and email. So the reason we have kept the action event as add new row is because we want to append all the information into adjacent rows one by one. For example, the name row will be inserted and then the adjacent row, that is email, will be inserted. So let me show you. So let me click on connect with Google Sheet. Then in the new credentials, just again click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so in the choose account, we have to choose one of these Gmail accounts I have. So as you can see, this particular Google Sheet is present in this account. So I'm just selecting this account. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm my choice. So before you click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, you can find the spreadsheet. It is showing it as content marketing for SaaS software. Okay, so what is this? So basically in my account, there are a ton of spreadsheet and one of them is content marketing for SaaS software. So I just want this sheet. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, so in the sheet, it is showing it as sheet 1. This is because I only have one sheet, that is sheet 1. Okay, so in the name, we have to fill in the name, and the email, we also have to fill in the email. So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, you will find the name 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Just map it. Similarly, in case of email, just map the email. Okay, so we are ready. Just click on save and send test request to send the data to Google Sheet. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Google Sheets. So let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, the rows has been filled, 𝗪𝗵𝘆, and the email 𝗪𝗵𝘆007@gmail.com. Excellent. So the presence of this data in Google Sheets shows that we have successfully integrated Wave and Google Sheets with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not? But before we do that, let me show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to minimize my action window. Also, I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Wave to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Wave and Google Sheets. Okay, so let me go to Wave and let me create one more customer. So I'm just going to click on add a customer. Okay, so the name of the customer is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, and the email is 𝗪𝗵𝘆123@gmail.com. Okay, so if you want, we can also add the phone number 9131323914. Okay, so that is enough to create a customer. Just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, a guy called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has been created. So let's have a look in Wave whether we have data regarding 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, so a guy called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and with the email 𝗪𝗵𝘆123@gmail.com has been appended into Google Sheet. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new customer is added in Wave, it will be reflected as a row in Google Sheet. Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.